Ashcroft on the topic of CIO innovations and trends. I'm sitting here with Rose Klimovich, and she's on our panel today for the Dallas Tech Executives Forum. Rose, tell us about your company.
Well, I work at Telx, and Telx is a carrier-neutral co-location provider. What that really means is that we do two things. One is we have really excellent co-location facilities, so a good place to put your servers, your storage equipment, disaster recovery site. The other thing that we do is carrier neutral. The idea there is that if you come to our facilities, there's normally a lot of different carriers you can use, and that's very good with respect to carrier choice, also getting you kind of cost perspective that you need, and also dealing with issues around disaster recovery with your carriers.
What are some of the takeaways you'll be sharing with us today?
Well, there's two things about that, I think. The first one is that data growth is really becoming rampant in our industry. You have video growing significantly. You have things like health medical records that are growing significantly, imaging growing significantly, and at the same time you have the government impinging on this, and that they're saying you need to keep emails for longer and things like that. What that's really doing is causing an explosion of data in the companies that we see as customers. So what we're really doing is helping them deal with that growth, and that really comes in two ways. The first is in the co-location facility itself. How do we give people really excellent service with respect to how they expand when they're doing storage and things of that sort? The other thing that we do is we really help people with things like cloud computing. Now, cloud computing and cloud storage is another way of offloading to some extent the kind of storage requirements that people have. And the third is really our healthcare IT initiative, which is really bringing together the different hospitals and things like that to help them exchange records between their companies.
Thank you so much. We're really excited that you're here today, and we look forward to hearing from you.